hell yeah, I get a lot of it. Some boys looking at me cause you say my ass is super fat. Keep these hoes hating on me cause they know I'm super bad. Call me nigga loving Richie Rich, my pocket super fat. Me and Cuz Crystal, yeah, we shut this shit down. And if you wanna kick your man, don't bring him around. Cause I promise once he see me, you can call it lost and found. If you talking about fuck am I put your pen down. I got money off the ass, man, the dough is not a problem. But what be ticking me off is them hoes that be hollering, boo, your man chose me, so calm down. Something about my swag got these dudes so aroused. I'm laughing at you bitches. Crystal Cuts is on the track. Shantae is on this beat. Kill them hoes like Ambrax. These girls are so contagious, man. These girls are so outrageous. The way we fuck the beat, man, you swear we making babies. Ain't got time for the talking motherfuckers, just pay me. I ain't gonna start a scene cause I'm such a fucking lady.